Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 no PG EIN only, meaning they do not pull your personal credit. They look at your business credit profiles as well as other factors to approve you for the credit cards. So make sure that you watch this entire video so that you can get all the requirements before applying. Also, if you want to get more information about business credit and financing for your business, not just business credit cards, but all types of financing, I have a free training that I did down below where you can see how you're able to build business credit and get financing as well as credit cards, lines of credit, auto lines of credit, store credit, and more from different sources, and how some people who followed the same training was able to get over $1 million in combined credit and financing for their business. So definitely sign up for this after you watch this video. So the first credit card is the Mercury IO MasterCard. So this MasterCard is a no credit check MasterCard that you can get for your business. It's similar to Divvy and Ramp. They have no annual fees. You can get virtual credit cards. They have 1% or 1.5% cash back. So what you need to do in order to get this is you need to have a Mercury checking and savings account. So Mercury is a business checking account that you can get for your business. They connect with Shopify, QuickBooks, Stripe, etc. They're similar to Novo and some of the other online fintech business bank accounts. So in order to qualify for this, you will need to have $50,000 in your Mercury checking account. So in order to get this credit card at a no PG, no personal guarantee, no personal credit check, you will have to have $50,000 in your Mercury account. All right, so the next no PG credit card that you can get is Divvy. So Divvy offers lines of credit that connect to a credit card that go up to really, really high limits, but is based up off of your banking activity in your business bank account. All right, so here's the third no PG business credit card or corporate card. I mean, corporate and business really is the same thing. You use it for business purposes. Ramp offers a Visa card that you could use for your business expenses. You can also create different cards for different bills, for different expenses that you can shut off at any time. You can create virtual cards. You can also assign employees to different cards. You can set limits. You can lock cards. So it's really designed to help you manage all of your expenses while giving you credit at the same time. So they also give you 1.5% cash back. Also, there really aren't any fees. You can create unlimited cards. You can pay all of your bills super fast, as well as get all of your insights and reporting. And they also do automated accounting. Now, the next one is Pago. This one is also no PG, no personal credit check. They also give you 1.5% cash back. Now, all you need for this one is your business EIN number, your physical company address, your business bank account. You also will need to have 6 months in banking history, and they're going to go off of that to give you your credit limit. Also, the downside to this card is you cannot use this card at the ATM, so you can't do cash advances, and they do not have PIN numbers. So the card that is number 5 on the list, which really, these are not in really any specific order. I think this one would probably be one of the top ones if I was to put it in order because of the cashback rewards and the fact that you can get this card strictly no PG without even showing any bank statements. This is a real no doc business credit card that you can actually get without using your personal credit whatsoever. Now, this one you do have to have business credit established. So you can go out there and you can get trade lines such as gas cards, net 30s, even bank cards that you may get using your personal credit. you can still get this card as well, because this card actually gives high limits. So they give 20, 50 plus $1,000 in credit limits. Now you might start off with like 8 to 10,000, but they do often credit line increases as you use a card and pay it back. So they do check Experian business credit reports. So you want to make sure that you have that Experian business credit profile built up and have a great score before you even apply for this. Make sure that all of your information is set up correctly. And you cannot apply for this online. You have to go right into the store. Now, I do have this card as well, so that's why I could really, tell you how to get this card. This is the brochure. So you'll fill this out at the store, or you'll print this out, fill it out at home, and then take it up to the store, because sometimes the in-store representatives, they don't do the application correctly. Because when I first got mine, they were, putting stuff in wrong, and it caused problems. So I would just go ahead and do this before you even go to the store, and then ask for the business credit card application. They'll just take your application and they'll input the same information that you put on your paper application into their tablets. Now, sometimes they might have to call the application line to verify your information, and they'll pretty much tell you over the phone whether you're approved or not. Now, because this is a no PG business credit card, their APRs are kind of high. But if you do not get approved for the MasterCard, most likely you'll get approved for the store credit card first, and then you'll be able to get approved for the MasterCard. That's the way it happened for me. I got the store card first, and then I was able to come back and get the MasterCard like a month later. So those are 5 no PG, no personal credit check business credit cards that you can get for your business as soon as possible. Just to recap, the first one was the Mercury IO credit card. You will need to have a Mercury business checking account as well as a savings account and have $50,000 in your bank account. The second one was Divvy. They give you high limit credit lines that's connected to a credit card as well as an expense management platform. You can get this card as well with no PG. All you have to do is connect your business bank account. Most of these cards, matter of fact, all of these cards, except for the Sam's card, will require that you connect your business bank account so they can go off of your banking history to approve you. The next one was Ramp. The fourth one was Pago. And then the last one was the Sam's Club Business MasterCard. You get 5% back at Sam's Club, 2%. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you like this video if you found it valuable. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos about all things business and all things finance. Also, comment down below if you have any questions. And don't forget to check out the free training where you get more information about business credit and business financing. The training is almost an hour long worth of value-packed information. So sign up for that. Link will be down in the description box below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.